Hello, family. What's going on? Y'all know how I do. I'm sitting in my Godfather chair, aka the gaming chair. And I wanted to do something really cool, like start from the back and then turn around. But you have to like press the button and then turn around. So I kind of like had to like do like this and then cut it on. I was like, whatever. So let's just do it now. This is how I wanted to start. Welcome to Social with Rocky. Welcome to Social with Rocky. Today, I'm going to give you about 10 minutes of my time to tell you how you can grow your Instagram account in 30 minutes. All right, that's what we're doing today. So this is going to help me keep track, you guys, and this is what I'm going to go by. So yes, let's get started. Hello, family, and welcome to Social with Rocky. And for all of these people that are not here right now, or all these people that are in Clubhouse, you guys will be staying and tuning in to the replay. So if you're tuning into the replay, hello. If you're live with me, hi, family. I see you. So I'm going to give you 30 tips. I messed that all up. I'm going to give you 30. Dang it. What is wrong with me? Let's start this over. Here we go. I'm going to give you some tips on how you can grow your following within 30 minutes. You guys, I love you guys. All right. So let's start from the beginning. All right. So these tips are going to be like so basic. You guys are going to be like, Rocky, like I'm tired of hearing this. Like everybody says the same thing. Well, y'all know me, and I don't tell you, I might say the same words, but I'm going to tell you to mix it up and do something a little different. All right. So how do you grow your following in 30 minutes? This is how. The first thing you need to do, you guys, is post. Okay. So me personally, I post 3 to 4 times a day, but I stopped doing that because you want your content to breathe. All right. If you listen to Erin on Demand, she is a very, very, very famous businesswoman, small businesswoman. And she had an actual talk with Instagram, and Instagram told her, don't post so much. She said to make the post and then let the post breathe a little bit. Okay. So I decided I'm not going to post 3 to 4 times a day. I'm going to post like maybe once a day, once or twice a day. So the first one is to post. Okay. If you're not going to make a feed post, make sure you post in your stories. Make sure you post a reel. Make sure you post a live. Make sure you do something and post every single day. The one thing that irks me is when people are like, I'm not getting the engagement I deserve. And then I go to your Instagram account and the last time you posted was like January of 2021. And it's a Happy New Year post. Like, no, okay? So make sure you're posting every day. That's the first thing. The second thing, Instagram stories, you guys. Instagram stories is a big deal. The reason why is because your stories goes to the top of the feed for everybody to see you, okay? So when they are going through their feed, you can see everybody that's live first because lives get notified first, and then everybody else is at the top as well. You want to be at the top with all of those people. And the way that works is the people that you engage with most, you're going to show at the top of their home feed, okay? So that's why engagement is so important, all right? You have to engage so that you can be seen on the top post section in the Instagram stories. Now, what do you post for stories? Just reminding people I'm on a time crunch. So what do you post on stories? Okay. You can post polls. You can post questions. You can post some amazing things. You can get real creative with the slider. You can do poll stickers. Now, if you're going to do a poll sticker, don't get your little feelings hurt. So don't ever put yes or no. It's always a yes and a yes. Okay. Like I'll say, hey, you guys, do you want to learn about hashtags? Yes. And hell yes. That way, if they click on one of those two, I know that they are super interested in learning about hashtags, right? Or yes, not now, or yes, maybe later, or something like that. But it's never a yes or a no. Some of you guys post no and you get all sad, okay? Use your countdown sticker. If you have a product launch coming up, if you have a Clubhouse room coming up, use that countdown sticker, because with the countdown sticker, you can set the timer, and if they click on the timer and say, yes, remind me of this time, then it will give them a little reminder for them to join you at that time. All right, so make sure you're using stories. Now, my favorite way to use stories is if I can't find anything, I go to the Explore page, I go through my friends' posts, and I just share that post to my Instagram stories, and I make sure that it's nice and creative, okay? So make sure you use the Instagram stories. Whenever somebody engages with your Instagram story, make sure you either respond to them in DMs or you make sure you repost what they posted into your stories again. So doubling back into that. My favorite one to use, you guys, is the question stickers. The question sticker is good because you can ask a question and then when we answer it, you can pop it back in there and shout them out. People love to be shouted out, okay? It's letting them know that you paid them attention, and if you're giving them attention, they're going to like that shit. All right, because we're just greedy people. We just want attention. So with that being said, it'll keep the conversation going. So make sure you're posting to your stories. All right, y'all, we're running out. Y'all, because of the filter, y'all can't see, but this is gold. This is real gold. I was going to say crystals, but it's dust. It's dusty. It's dusty stuff, but whatever. So make sure you are posting to your stories. Next, engage. Okay? Engage to get engagement. Don't ever complain to Rocky in her Clubhouse room that you're not getting engagement when you haven't engaged. Engaging is going into Instagram hashtags and liking and commenting. Not them little cheap ass comments with the emojis count, but no, we're not doing that. We're doing some meaningful comments. Another way you can engage is when you go into those hashtags of your ideal client or whatever hashtags you use, you also want to look at the comments and see what other people are writing, and you want to engage with people that are already commenting, okay? So that way you can start a conversation, build a community, and maybe somebody will follow you, okay? You yourself can also engage in stories. So go into your stories, read their stories, look at their stories, figure out what their stories are posting or what it looked like, and you want to comment on their stuff. Go into people's lives, okay? See what their lives y'all are both watching. Y'all are so cute. See what their lives are see what they're talking about in their live, okay? And engage and make comments, all right? Do that as well, okay? Lives, stories, reels, go into the reels in the comments section. Reels are like the most engaging comments to me lately. Like them things are like off the chain. So go into the reels, comment to each other, and then mix things up. Share their reels to your DMs and tag them. Do all of that stuff, right? So I would absolutely do that. Yeah, so that's how you can grow 30 minutes a day, and do this for 30 minutes a day, okay, you guys? The key to growing on Instagram is consistency, and don't tell me that you don't have the time, because if I see your ass in Clubhouse, I'm gonna be like, did you just ask me a question? Because you said you didn't have time, but you're in these Clubhouse streets. I'm gonna give you a little Clubhouse hack. How about that? The Clubhouse hack is, while you're in Clubhouse, click on people's bios, go into people's, y'all know when y'all got nails, you just gotta point and shit. That's like what I like doing with my nails. So, while you're in Clubhouse, okay, I'll get my stylist. While you're in Clubhouse, you're gonna click on these people's feeds, all right? And you're gonna engage with them while they are in Clubhouse. Not just the people on the stage, engage with people in the audience. If you like Twitter, go into their Twitter. I had somebody hit me up on LinkedIn from Clubhouse, and I don't even use my LinkedIn. I was like, oh shit, they on my raggedy link. Oh shit, they're on my raggedy LinkedIn page. Like, how did they find that? Like, I really was like in shock and embarrassed at the same time. So go into them, you guys, while they're talking, while they're doing all that stuff. Like, comment, engage, share their stuff. Send the love, show the love while you're in the Clubhouse room. And that is a huge hack for you, okay? So we are down to the wire. Again, I told you I'm only going to be about 10 minutes. This hourglass is literally about 9 minutes and 36 seconds. So I'm going to go ahead and close up and wrap up. I am doing a Clubhouse room at 6 Eastern Standard Time, which is in about 20 minutes or so. Join me in there. And this is an Instagram for beginners room. So if you are brand new to Instagram and you need some help, join me into Clubhouse and say, hey, Rocky, I saw you live today and I'm super duper excited. Hop on stage, ask some questions. I got your back. If you need a Clubhouse invite, I got your back. All right, just shoot me a message and say, Rocky, I need an invite so I can get in Clubhouse and join you today. All right, so let me just recap really fast. The hourglass is going down. I was choking on my spit. Anyway, the hourglass is going down, so I need to hurry up. All right, so grow your Instagram account in 30 minutes a day. Post. Make sure you're posting at least once a day, okay? At the bare minimum. It doesn't matter if it's effective at 12:01 on Friday, all distancing and capacity. We're back to full-time in Virginia, you guys. No more masks, no more social distancing policy. Wow. All right, so make sure you're posting every day, whether it be a feed post, a reel, Instagram story, whatever. Make sure you are creating stories and make sure you're engaging with stories, all right? And make sure you're engaging with your hashtags, 30 minutes every day. And then I gave you a little cheat hack, which is go into Clubhouse and click into the little bios of everybody and pay them attention and show them some love, all right? You'll be surprised who will follow you back. So like I said, the Dawn Mom, Rocky, right on time. I'm just going to sit here and let this drain a little bit because our time is slowly going down. And we're out of town, you guys. So I'm going to flip this over. And you guys have a blessed and wonderful night. I will catch you in these Clubhouse streets. And these Instagram streets. See, this isn't a good outro because now I still got to turn around and turn off my camera. So y'all, love y'all. Have a good day. Have a good night. I'll see you at Clubhouse. Bye.